What's going on? James Bonnity's here, and the main question that you probably have is, who am I, and what the heck is Local Marketing Vault? So, in this video, we are going to talk all about who I am. We're going to be talking about all of these nice online reviews, and we're going to be talking about the Local Marketing Vault from the experience of starting it in 2017 all the way to mid-year, late year of 2022, and what you can expect when you're looking up information. Because if you are smart, which I'm sure you are because you're on this video, you are doing your due diligence. You may have seen an ad on my TikTok account. You may have seen an ad on YouTube. You may have even seen an ad on Facebook, and you Googled my name. Maybe you Googled Jason McKim's name. Maybe you Googled James and Jason. Maybe you Googled Local Marketing Vault. Maybe you Googled Visibility Cloud. Whatever it might be, in this video, we will be talking about all of it and everything in between. So, in order for me to jump right into exactly the expectations or filling you in on everything you need to know, as I mentioned, my name is James Bonnity's, and to get the information directly from the source would probably be your best bet to get actual real information. And so I started my agency working with local businesses, helping them generate more leads and customers back in 2014. The story goes that 3 weeks into learning this business model, I landed a $5,000 a month client, was a mortgage broker, and he ended up paying me for over 2.5 years. So one client brought me about $150,000 to $180,000 from one client. But the story doesn't end there, because I've gone on to land dozens and dozens of clients, and I've gone on to make millions of dollars with just my agency, not my coaching program, just my agency. Okay, and somewhere on this YouTube channel, if you're watching this on YouTube, I think I show tax returns and all that good stuff. So you can go and check those out. Personally, it's probably prudent for you to know that I'm married and have 2 beautiful kids, and I like to consider myself a stand-up guy. So if you're searching for, is James Bonnity's a scam, or Jason McKim a scam, or Local Marketing Vault scam, whatever it is, there's nothing in my business that I do that would ever sacrifice myself and my family. So let me get that out of the way. In addition, though, I'd like to make a very large point on what you may have seen on the internet when it comes to Googling my name or Googling my the Local Marketing Vault. Okay, so let's just jump right into that. Okay, so if you go over to Google and you go to Local Marketing Vault Review, you're going to see ads on this screen. And then you're going to see a lot of organic posts from other people who are writing reviews. Okay, so I want to touch upon those. So first of all, the first thing I'd like to point out is this ad right here is us. We're running an ad, of course. We're going to run an ad to people who are searching for us. And then this ad right here is actually an illegal ad, which we just submitted to the trademark commissions because they are bidding on a trademark name. Now, let me go over here. So as you can see, Local Marketing Vault is a trademark name, okay? And that is not allowed. So if I click this ad on here, this person is writing a review. This person here, who I can guarantee is not a real person. Her name is Hope, okay? And she is saying to check out the platform that she makes $20,000 per month. So let me see her ways. Now this, before even going into it, I already know what it is. I know who it is that's bidding on her name. So let me just jump in here and show you.
These simple one-page landers, we call them, to pull in well over $50,000 per month in mostly passive income.
Okay, so I don't really, that's not the point of this. The point of showing you this is to just explain to you that you need to be very careful of what you're looking up, because every website has a goal in mind. The goal could be to send you to one of their offers. But the fact that they're bidding on trademark, I have a problem with that. And what I have a problem with is the fact that they are saying, they are writing a review about us and showing that it's Hope And if I go into our group, all of our community members, which is over 6,000 something, are in here. And if I go over to members and I type in hope, there is no hope in our list. If I go into my CRM, where we have all of our students here, and I type in hope, okay, we don't have, that's an email, faith, love, and hope. We don't have a hope. So this marketing vault here is a fake review that they have no idea what our training program includes. These are old screenshots. Not even, this is what our training program looks like, by the way, right here. So I don't really know where they're getting these screenshots from. It's fake, and it's fake. All right, so that's just one. If we go to scam risk, okay, this is another one of Josh's websites. He likes to rank for us, so then he could take our traffic, search traffic, and send it to his offer. So if I click on a, here you go. Okay, and this, okay, first of all, the best part about this is that he shows a testimonial from Paul and Amy at our event. I don't really understand that. So Josh, if you're watching this, you should probably change that. And yeah, anyway, I have no problem, like literally no problem with Josh. Actually, I think Josh is a great person. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Matter of fact, I think the business model that he teaches is a good business model. It's not good for us. I don't think that I think our process is much better. But anyway, so you guys got to just be careful with where you're reading reviews from. This is a very old review. If I go back, so that's just 1, 2, let's see who else. Millions, I already know who this is. That's Brad Campbell. Let's see here. ePay, this is sending it to kind of like the same type of program that Josh is offering, which is just lead gen. It's a lead gen. And that's how I started. There's nothing wrong with it. What my point is that you need to be very careful of where you're taking the information that you're reading from, okay? You need to look deeper into why somebody's doing a review, all right? I will, by the way, you could read our Trustpilot reviews. We have tons of great, training is very straightforward. Community is amazing, good training programs. So you can go and take a look at that. Those are real students giving real reviews. Let's see what else we have here. GG Money. Let's see. GG Money looks like another one of Josh's. Yep. There's another one of Josh's. So Josh has taken the internet by storm under our name and trying to gear you toward his business opportunity. Cool. Whatever it is, what it is. Again, I don't have a problem with Josh. I have a problem with him bidding on our trademark name. That I have a problem with. Let's take a look at some other reviews here. Daily SEM. This is actually a review from one of our students. As you can see, has a updated logo. And he came into our business opportunity, I don't know, 2 years ago, and is making $30,000, $40,000 a month. And so he has the right to write a review and recommend our program to people because it's the only thing he does. He runs the business that we taught him. Okay, if they haven't gone through the program, then how can they write a review about it? With that being said, I want to jump into our Facebook group here, and I just want to show you guys over here. Let's go to our sales contest for the month of. It's running a month. So here's one student, Derek, 11 clients, $10,000 just in the last 3 weeks. Maritza, 6 clients, $21,000 of collected cash. Damien, 6 clients, $1,300. Sarah, 4 clients, $3,400. Katie, 4 clients, $2,400. Jeff, 4 clients, $1,996. James, 4 clients, 5. You guys can see this. Kate Noel, 2 clients. So these are the things that are happening in our community, in our group. Direct results directly from what we teach to our students. And we have tons and tons and tons of more, thousands probably. And then here's what to expect. I mean, this is our training. You get direct help if you want to start a chat with somebody from our help team. We have
All right, so welcome to
high quality videos. We also have a partner page where you can get approved partners, where people who, like, for example, let's say you're good at sales but not good at the tech. You could partner with somebody who's good at tech. Let's say you're good at tech and not good at sales. You could partner with somebody that's good at sales. Private Facebook community with almost 6,000 members. And as you could see here, just in the last couple of weeks, the results that our students are getting. I'm going to have to blur those names out. So, yeah, and there's a lot of stuff happening day in and day out. Let me see if I can go to activity log. So you can take a look at just in the last, let's look at the last 60 days. You could see over the last 60 days, there's been 596 posts. 3,018 actual active members, meaning they've either posted, commented, or liked something in our group. As you can see, our popular days. Jason, let me go back to our group photo. As you can see here, we have every Monday at 6 p.m., we have a new student call every single Monday, 6 p.m. Eastern. So if you're new and you come in, you're getting extra help in addition to our main Q&A on Wednesdays, which Jason and I do. And then we have office hours on Fridays at 3 o'clock, usually 3. Sometimes he starts a little bit later. And what we do on Fridays is essentially kind of like we open up the office. And if you have a question, you pop in, you ask a question, get an answer, and pop out. Jason likes to crack open some bourbon usually. And so he enjoys his Fridays with guys who pop in and pop out, ask questions. And so you get plenty of help, plenty of support. Again, just from directly in the training, you get access to our messenger, so you can message our helpline, which runs about 10 hours a day, 5 days a week, and so on and so forth. So I wanted to clear up a lot of the stuff that you may be searching online. Just be very careful what reviews you're reading and what information you need. The best bet, and I'll be straight up with whoever's watching this, the best bet is this. You jump on a call that you may have scheduled already and then canceled because of maybe some fake review that you read. And by the way, this is wrong. This is not what our price is. So I actually reached out to the owner of this website and was like, hey, man, if you're going to write a review about us, at least have our information correct. And so he said he changed it. So this is not the price of our program. And I want that to be very clear. So best bet is 100% to just jump on a call with one of our Vault coaches who will walk you through a very simple process that we take. And at the end of the call, all that's going to happen is they're going to say, hey, do you want to move forward? Here's the cost. Here's the price. Here's what you get, or no. It's very, very, very simple. But with the amount of case studies and screenshots and as you can see, results from our student base, you would be crazy to say no, but you have the right to. And so you can go and search us. You can go and search our company name. You can go and do all that stuff. We're BBB certified. We're the Better Business Bureau. We're certified, as you can see right there. Okay. We've been in business for 5+ years. We've been featured in Small Business Today. I have an article in here, how to make extra income while helping your community. You can see it's a whole article that I have in here in the Business Today. You can go look that up. So I just wanted to clear up a bunch of stuff. I hope this video helped. And again, I'll even put the link to book a call with our team if you wanted to do so, because if you're researching this business model, there's nothing better out there. There is nothing better out there. So if you're watching this, I guess I look forward to possibly meeting you one day. Talk soon. Bye-bye.